So hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video we'll be discussing about the external feature of pons. As in my previous video I have already told you that brainstem consists of three main parts: the midbrain, pons and the medulla. The pons is the middle part, attached rostrally to the midbrain and caudally to the medulla oblongata. Now viewing the anterior portion of the pons. Anterior portion means just like if a person is standing like this, here are the eyes and this is the and from here you will be seeing this portion. Now on the ventral side you can say here is a small groove in between middle section of the pons. This is the basilar groove. Later on during the development the basilar artery will lodge into it and provide the blood circulation and results in the formation of the circle of Willis. Here one of the main important thing is that we need to learn that what are the cranial nerves which will be arising from the pons. So let me tell you firstly, from laterally there will be the origination of the trigeminal nerve, which is the cranial nerve 5, along with its sensory and as well as the motor roots. The sensory root will lie medially to the motor root. The next cranial nerve is the cranial nerve number 6, which is the most medial nerve arising from the pons. This is the facial nerve, or you can say cranial nerve number 7, along with its two roots. This is the vestibulocochlear nerve, cranial nerve number 8. After explaining this, I'll be telling you the names of the 12 cranial nerves and their fate, that either they are sensory, mixed or motor. So now this was the anterior portion. Let me tell you, this is the mid junction between midbrain and the pons. This is the pontomedullary junction, or you can say abducens nerve also arises from the pontomedullary junction or from the inferior part of the pons. Now telling you about the dorsal surface of the pons. So guys, this is the dorsal surface from the pons. It is covered fully by the cerebellum and it will result in the formation of a triangular shaped structure and resulting in the formation of upper part of the floor of the fourth ventricle. Somewhere here the fourth ventricle, viewing from the lateral side, it will come like this, and here will be the cerebellum. So somewhere here it will be the fourth ventricle. Now let me tell you what is this structure. This is called as the fossa rhomboideus, or you can say rhomboid fossa. Let me tell you that what happens that the pons is attached to the cerebellum by the means of the middle cerebellar peduncles, not cerebral peduncles. There is a lot of difference between cerebellar peduncles and the cerebral peduncles. So guys, this was the information about the anterior as well as the posterior surface, or you can say ventral and the dorsal aspects of pons. Later on in my further video I'll be telling you about midbrain and its cross sections and what are the nucleus present in them. The main thing which we have to study here is the origination of the nerves, as well as the main thing is the basilar artery, which will arise from the vertebral artery. It will ascend up and enter here. The vertebral artery ascending up, it will be here called as the basilar artery. Okay, so here it will be the basilar artery. Here it will give small branches which will provide blood supply to the pons. So now guys, I'll be telling you about the 12 pair of cranial nerves. So what happens is that the 12 pair of cranial nerves may be either sensory, they can be motor, or they can be mixed. Now let me tell you what are these 12 pair of cranial nerves. There are 12 cranial nerves. You can remember them by opta, phagua. First is olfactory, second is optic, third is oculomotor, fourth is pathetic. Some books called it pathetic and some called it trochlear. This is trigeminal, this is abducens, facial, auditory or vestibulocochlear nerve. This is glossopharyngeal, this is vagus, this is accessory, and this is the hypoglossal. Now let me tell you what are the fate of these nerves, that whether they are sensory, mixed or motor. The first one is sensory. You can remember this like sensory, sensory, motor, motor, mixed, motor, mixed, sensory, mixed, mixed, motor, motor. So guys, these are the 12 pair of cranial nerves arising from different parts of the brain. So hope you all like this video, and in my next video I'll be telling you about either lumbar plexus, lumbosacral plexus, or the cross-sectional parts of the midbrain. Thank you so much.